Welcome back, all of my Big J 3RD supporters. I know some of y'all are wondering why do you see this American-based Symphony 2.5 set up and not what I had projected to use before. Well, first of all, let's go through this. The Symphony 2.5 is like 75 watts RMS, 150 watt max, 4 ohm efficiency is what, 92 dBs. And back to the reason why we see these. The other dome bullet tweeters that I was thinking about, yeah, they can handle more power, and they can get loud and clear, but loud and clear is one thing, but precise smoothness and just the particular way I'm trying to go with my sound is going to be a little bit different. So here we have the 2.5 dome silk tweeter, and I mean, this is a heavy duty tweeter that's made real well. And I follow suggestions of the people that really do, not just that sell, but do also. And so they were leaning toward this for what I wanted. And that's one thing I appreciate, people trying to help me and not just sell me anything. And I think overall, that's why places like that continue to do well and get your business, or my business, as I should say. But back to this, these actually have little mounting supports where you can bend this and you can kind of tilt it how you want or flatten it out. But what this is the tweeter has this ring, magnets holding it. Tweeter sits in the ring, screws behind this to hold it, which is ingenious. If you think about it. Let's see if we one-handed do this. Oh, that one's on tight. Let's see. Hold on a second. I don't have a cameraman. In fact, let me just do this. Okay, so see, the tweeter would actually go in. It would go in like that in the mount. And then this, which is metal also, this ring, would go behind it like that and then screw to the back. So not only is the mount gonna bolt and be secure, let's see if we get this back out of here. Trying to do this with one hand. I don't have a cameraman, y'all. Okay. So get this out here. Anyway, that's your mount. And you see it does come with all the screws and everything. Of course, I wouldn't use these little tabs. I would just use heavier duty 3M double tape. But this ring, pull that on through there, man. Secures, it screws around here, so it's going to be tight. You can see those little ridges, it screws on there. And then you have your crossovers, and they are light enough where you can just, mount them anywhere, tuck them whichever way, and be out of the way. Of course, wherever you're putting them, there's not going to be a lot of bass shaking there, unless you just got that much bass. I doubt that you need to have it where you'd screw it in. But that's the unboxing. The American-based Symphony 2.5s. Probably don't see too many unboxings, so I wanted to give you a good in-depth unboxing. And let's get these numbers jumping. See about getting these in quick. I say quick, but anybody in car audio knows quick is not necessarily going to happen. Like I said, I didn't put the other ones in yet. Those are still in the box. All right, y'all.